front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate clock and tap on it. Now click on alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour and choose days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Now manage all of those features by tapping on the switchers next to them to disable or enable them, and tap on alarm name. Over here, label your alarm however you wish to, and then click on vibration. Over here, select the best vibration pattern for you by clicking on the chosen one and go back. Now click on snooze and repeat how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back as well and choose alarm sound. Over here you can adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. But you can also click on ringtone, tap on allow, and select the best melody for you from here. To save your changes, just go back. You can always click on this plus icon at the top right corner as well. Choose music from your smartphone by clicking on it, and then choosing done at the top right corner. Lastly, go back and save your alarm by choosing save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, select this delete icon over here, and if you wish to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner of this section. Choose settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!